First one, capital of France is Paris. Capital of Japan is Tokyo. Capital of China is Beijing. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Capital of Canada is Ottawa. Capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Capital of USA is Washington. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Capital of Italy is Rome. Capital of Peru is Lima. Capital of Cuba is Havana. Capital of Chile is Santiago. Capital of UK is London. Capital of India is New Delhi. Capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Capital of Philippines is Manila. Capital of Taiwan is Taipei. Capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Capital of Qatar is Doha. Capital of Maldives is Male. Capital of Australia is Canberra. Capital of New Zealand is Wellington. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Capital of Russia is Moscow. Capital of Fiji is Suva. Capital of Nigeria is Abuja. Capital of Kenya is Nairobi. Capital of Libya is Tripoli. Capital of Togo is Lome. Capital of South Sudan is Juba. Capital of Sudan is Khartoum. Capital of Rwanda is Kigali. Capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Capital of Egypt is Cairo. Capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Capital of Oman is Muscat. Capital of Bahrain is Manama. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Capital of Christmas Island is Flying Fish Cove. Capital of Kiribati is Tarawa. Capital of Nauru is Yahen. Capital of Somalia is Mogadishu. Capital of Uganda is Kampala. Capital of Tunisia is Tunis. Capital of Niger is Niamey. Capital of South Africa is Pretoria. Capital of Morocco is Rabat. Capital of Tanzania is Dodoma. Capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. Capital of Spain is Madrid. Capital of Ukraine is Kyiv. Capital of Australia is Vienna. Capital of Austria is Vienna. Capital of Belgium is Brussels. Capital of Poland is Warsaw. Capital of Serbia is Belgrade. Capital of Bulgaria is Sofia. Capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. Capital of Norway is Oslo. Capital of Greece is Athens. Capital of Finland is Helsinki. Capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Capital of Ireland is Dublin. Capital of Portugal is Lisbon. Capital of Estonia is Tallinn. Capital of Albania is Tirana. Capital of Switzerland is Bern. Capital of Malta is Valletta. Capital of Colombia is Bogota. Capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Capital of Angola is Caracas. Capital of Cuba is Havana. Capital of Ecuador is Quito. Capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. Capital of Nicaragua is Managua. Capital of Jamaica is Kingston. Capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. Capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. Capital of Guyana is Georgetown. Capital of Bermuda is Hamilton. Capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. Capital of South Korea is Seoul. Capital of Bangladesh Dhaka. Capital of Iran is Tehran. Capital of Iraq is Baghdad. Capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Capital of East Timor is Delhi. Capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Capital of Palestine is Ramallah. Capital of Serbia is Belgrade. Capital of Brussels is Minsk. Drop your scores in the comment box, okay?